we have a homeless problem like every other city in California does. On any given night, we have about 1,400 people sleeping on the streets in Oakland, as well as many students that actually go to Laney and the Peralta colleges are also homeless. When this idea came about, when there was a lot of talk going on about tiny homes, I approached Laney College about forming a partnership and using those departments, woodworking, the Fab Lab, carpentry, welding, to figure out a solution to deal with our homelessness issue.
When I was at City Council, someone said to me, why not just put them in tough sheds? I said, because it's a shed. I said, these are homes.
The Pocket House is essentially, it's a flat pack CNC tiny house. We're building on some experience of a couple of tiny houses we built in the past. And we were ultimately approached by the City of Oakland to provide them with about 100 tiny houses was their initial request. And so we really re-geared ourselves to figure out exactly how we could produce 100 tiny houses, because it takes us on average about 2 years to produce one. And hoping to shrink it from a 2-year timeline down to a 1-semester timeline.
Not only is this helping us deal with our homelessness issue, but hopefully it's also giving students entrepreneurial skills and is helping students think more creatively about how to solve problems.